goodness!
What?
Oh, Santa!
What do you think?
This is the best Christmas ever. Best Christmas ever. Best Christmas ever. Best Christmas ever. Look at that.
What?
Look at that car.
What is it?
Like a race car or something.
It's a go-kart.
A go-kart? Oh, I love those.
Why don't you have a seat?
Oh, yeah. A go-kart. Okay. How do we drive this thing? How do we drive it?
Look at me. Oops, hold on a second. Okay. Look at me. What do you think?
This is great, but Mama,
Sally.
I really don't want to do mine.
Alice, this one's yours. You take it out. Got it? Pull it. Pull it. Get it. There you go. There you
Oh,
go.
Dad! Mom, we got M&M's.
All right.
But I got lots of stuff.
Oh, Alice.
Whoa! That's why mine
There you
is heavy.
Okay.
Oh, Sally.
I got mine.
Alice is good enough for both of them. Oh, Alice.
Oh man, this bag's heavy.
Somebody's proud. Yes.
Dada! I got more Star Wars toys!
Wow, look at that.
Oh, wow.
I got Chewbacca!
That's right. It looks like you got Luke Skywalker as a pilot and Wedge and Biggs.
This...
Yeah, look at that.
What else do I got?
Oh.
What's this? Oh, I want to open this.
Alice.
I bet it's from Santa. Awesome! It's a rubber band ball.
Oh, neat.
It's a rubber band ball. It's a rubber band ball.
Oh, what if it bounces?
Oh, it's really easy to bounce.
Woo!
Mom, put it right here. Hey, no, Sally, no. These are my stuff, not your stuff. Let's go and stuck it.
Oh, Alice. Rolly Polly.
I'm down to my foot thingy. Pass my leg, and there's another present. Where's it from?
It says Merry Christmas. Everything in your stocking is from Santa.
Oh, it is? Because I was thinking last night that you two go shopping for these toys.
Oh, you're kidding me, right?
Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh! More Yu-Gi-Oh cards!
Oh, neat.
More Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I really love this Christmas. I'll take this. What is this? I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. Oh. Santa's, this is from you two, right?
No. Santa must have gone to our store first.
Santa must have gone to our store and got this for me. Because I was really wanting to get it.
He probably knew that you wanted it.
Yeah, that works too. Oh, rainbow candy cane! Yes! just one. No, Sally, no. Alice.
No, that's not very Christmassy, Alice.
Yes, it is. Oh, another race car 20.
Say, Allie, what's up, Sally?
But these are 2 chocolates. Yes, I know it. I got them for last Christmas.
Here, turn it around, honey, so that I can see.
Whoa.
Yep.
Goggles.
Yep, that's for your go-kart.
Yeah.
That is for your go-kart.
Okay, where's the trash bag? Where's your trash bag?
Right over here.
So I can put it on it.
Uh-huh, that's fine. I'll fix it. You want to take those off and take those out and put them on?
Here, let me have this video.
Okay, thanks, Daddy.
Open up the big red one. Open up the big red.
I was just about to ask you that. Anyway. Let's see who it's from. Wait, I know it's from Santa. Yes, look, there's a picture of Santa.
Oh, good.
Ugh. Just must have to be something good. Just has to be something big. Oh. Can I borrow the scissors for a second?
Open up the other side.
Oh, thanks. Ugh. I bet it's more clothes. It's more clothes, I know it. I know it's clothes. Or maybe not. It's a new helmet.
A new helmet as opposed to...
No, I got like one of Daddy's helmets.
Over there, that's supposed to be that.
I got one of Daddy's helmets.
Come here, Sweet Look at that.
I get one of Daddy's helmets.
This is for you when you're on your go-kart, okay?
Yeah.
Hold on, go on.
It's the best Christmas ever.
Go back over there to Daddy.
Now can I put the goggles on?
Put the goggles on. First, you gotta put your helmet on.
Oh, man.
Helmet goes on first.
I'll take a look.
Put your hair out
Let me see.
here.
Go sit down. Go sit down on your go-kart.
Go-kart.
Alright.
What do you think?
It's a little heavy.
Yep. So do that.
Ow.
Come on.
It's there to protect your head.
Yep.
Yeah, but it's a kind of little heavy.
Gotta wear it anyway. You can't ride without it.
Do these things have holes so you breathe?
That's right.
Good.
Look at me.